Hello friends, if you want to buy or sell real estates, you come to the right place. First of all, I will tell you that I don't really want to explain how the beauty of the building, how the space of the flat, how the money, the price are important, because these things depends on your wallet, on your taste, on your blindness, whatever. First of all, I want you to present the program named Google Earth, that is very good in many ways, in education, for fun, for games, and why not for gaining money. Example from my town, Brașov, in Romania, better known for Transylvanian province. It is in Transylvania province, and for that I picked up a few building companies from our town. You'll see I mark it down with these pins. You see the place that I choose is outside the city. We could measure the distance from this neighborhood to the center of the town, 3 kilometers, and is not quite far from the most important thing in the area, the resort Poiana Brașov, the best resort for winter sports, 9 kilometers. And if we zoom in, we'll see that the rail station is very near, about 2 kilometers. You realize that I measure the distance straight, but on the streets the distance is a bit far. What is the main goal I want to show you? I think it is important when I want to buy a thing, a building, a flat, an apartment, a house, whatever, to see, to know how old is that building. The age is very important, I think, for that building. And for that, Google Earth shows me the evolution of this town by pressing historical imagery. It's a very interesting tool that shows me images from a few years back to the present. I started to measure the surface and the buildings with the starting point of construction, and I will mark it down for you, and you will see from 2009 to the present how many buildings they appeared on this map. I tell you, it's very simple, and we could teach our children to do that like a game, and in the end the project will could gain some money. Yes, because if you do that for an entire city, the buyers could see the age of the buildings. In our case, the darker colors signifies the old ones, and the brighter the new ones. And this age could influence the prices of the buildings, not the beauty of it, not the space, as I said before. Yes. An important thing at Google Earth is that many people could place on the map pictures. Yes. And if you want to see the environment, you could go down there in the street view. Yes. To see it for yourself. The buildings are something like that. I'll show you how I place these polygons. Yes, I'll measure this space. I want to measure this surface. Yes, I select this tool, a polygon, and I place a few markers. The polygon is quite finished. I put a title, a color to identify it better, and it is done. You'll see it's just a beginning of a project, but it could be a major one. To our buildings is placed the best mall in the town, Coresi. Good college, Nicolae Titulescu, that has primary school, secondary school and high school for all the people who wants to move in, and of course sports area. And very important, a very large park.